Luxury meets lifestyle at this equestrian estate in Moreland, Georgia. Known for its friendly neighbors and charming location, this home is a private retreat of 45 acres for you to explore and enjoy. Instantly impressed and more than meets the eye, this home offers discreet and unassuming curb appeal. Welcome to our newest listing, located at 2325 Highway 54 in Moreland, Georgia. I'm Kelly Phillips with Brokerage Atlanta and excited to present to you this stunning 45-acre equestrian estate. The inside has no detail overlooked. Let's go take a peek around. Bring out your inner chef with this 5-star eat-in kitchen, showcasing richly textured granite countertops, professional-grade stainless steel appliances. This $100,000 kitchen showstopper is the knotty alder wood cabinetry with soft closed drawers and custom pantry with lighting. This happily ever after home offers endless space for family living with a finished terrace level featuring a full kitchen and a second family room for entertaining space. Ideal for an in-law suite or custom living for a property or farm manager. For the horse enthusiast, this property offers a 6-stall center aisle barn, 12 by 12 matted stalls with fans, and an indoor saddling and an outdoor wash rack. A 60-foot hay barn, and if you're wondering if your dually can fit in the garage, no worries, it does. Ready to call Moreland, Georgia your next home? Give me a call or text me to schedule your own private tour. 770-315-2066.